people in the street to explain a programming meme. And if they explain it, they win $100. Thank you.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Epic.
Would you guys be interested?
Sorry.
It'll take 30 seconds. Free money. Hi guys, we're giving away money for answering simple questions.
Is this TikTok?
It could be on TikTok, but it'll be on YouTube.
I've always wanted to do it.
Okay, all right. Do you guys know anything about computer programming or coding at all?
There was a coding club in my school once.
You taking a full computer science class? See if you can explain this.
So the front end, he's kissing the hands. He's dropping her
Always what you see, maybe.
off a
Like,
cliff.
Sometimes you could think you're
Yeah.
good, right?
This?
Like,
No. Okay. This is like a zoomed in.
Yeah, skip.
Okay, we'll skip.
That's like when you get the code wrong, isn't it?
Greater than, less than.
2 states of every programmer.
You get stopped at something that's like really simple, but like you know what you're doing, but like you're just stuck.
All right,
sure.
I think we'll give that to them. We'll give that to them. Okay, there you go. Nice.
A little bit. Python.
Hello?
Oh, Python, let's go.
Barely. Oh,
Here's one for you then.
oh god. Python logo, how we're just gonna sit while coding. I'm already used to sit like that.
Pretending that's a chair.
That's pretty good.
Did I get it?
No
That's
clue.
pretty-
Did I get the $10?
He gets the $10. Let's go.
I have no.
No.
Are you just like losing money?
He's laughing about like, are you serious right now?
It's pretty accurate. 20?
That one's funny. Front end, back end. People try to make the front end all beautiful, but the back end, it's hell.
Here's a 20.
Say less, G.
Giving away money?
I gotta go surf, bro.
All right. Surfers are fucking dedicated. All right, if you could explain this one.
Webs that it says spider's the only web developed. No, he's not the only spider web developed.
I think that one ain't it, brother.
3 different whys. It's like he doesn't understand it, and then he can't get it, and he can't figure it out, and then he must have reviewed it, and in the 4th picture he figures out that's why.
Yeah.
This was the problem.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Fair.
I'm a decoder. I'm a
All right,
programmer.
there
I'm a
we go.
natural. You guys can get at me. I'm White Chocolate _0. I am the hood hero. Woo!
All right, here we go, brother.
I have 253 attempts, because any one mistake and one little like wrong code can ruin everything.
I felt like that was accurate. You guys could get it.
Right over our head.
What does that mean?
He's so happy that he found it.
You don't have to code yourself. You can just copy someone else.
There you go. And $10 for you. Thank you guys. Who would win?
I'm gonna say the misplaced semicolon because he's probably gonna mess up all that code.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What the? 20. So, hey, that guy took his money and ran. Now I want to tell you about the sponsor of this video. But first, let me bring up somebody. All right, everybody. This is Nia. Hi, Nia.
Hi.
So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna talk to you about the sponsorship, and for every 15 seconds that I talk about it, you will win $25. How does that sound?
That's awesome. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Crypto.com is one of the best platforms to buy your crypto. They have an amazing UI and they make it super simple for beginners to be able to actually go and invest their money. So if you've never invested with any crypto app, you've never used Robinhood, that is totally fine. You could still use Crypto.com and they make it very easy to use. They even have a Visa card with 5% cashback and they have no annual fees. I've used so many crypto apps before, but their UI is not that great. I love that their UI is so nice and easy to use. Now, if you want to download them, use the link in the description below and sign up using their referral link and put in the referral code CP. Okay, that's CP. If you do that, you will get $25 in your account for free. Don't you want free money?
I want free money.
All right, so with that said, go ahead, click the link in the description below, sign up for Crypto.com. You'll get $25 for free, and you'll have an amazing crypto app that you can start investing with today. All right, and the thing that I almost forgot, here we go. My T-Rex arms.
To Jurassic Park.
Thank you.
All right, that's it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you.
Someone help me. Someone help me. Someone help me.
Yeah, you're not programming. You're just like searching.
You don't
actually do. You just Google it. Like, because all programming takes is just Googling it.
All right, there it is. That's good. Nice. But if you feel like
You know, sometimes you delete some or some up, and you just gotta sit there and be like, "The I do."
so I would say that's not it. Okay.
The brain is trying to tell her to go to sleep, and she doesn't want him to talk anymore.
I'm not sure. I don't think that's the right one. You get a shot at this.
So I think that this character is like thinking about the bug on line 255. Like he keeps thinking about it, and it's like, and he like finally fell asleep and like he stopped thinking about it. But then once the brain was like, oh, I know to fix it. Then like he woke up.
Boom! There we go. Let's go. All right, awesome. Here, there you go.
Thank you.
You win $20.
Yeah.
In like 20 minutes, 10 minutes.
I feel like it has to do with like the zeros and ones. Like a slight like misplace of a one can just ruin everything. You gotta go back and just read it all over again. I feel like it has something to do with that, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
The code doesn't work because first it's not even on. The computer's not even on. The code works why? Because he plugged it in right here.
We don't know that.
Well, that's what.
No plugs here.
Well,
All right, I'm gonna give you one last one. But why not actual developers who code? Why don't they enjoy finding the bugs?
Because that would imply that something's wrong with it or something's.
All right. We'll give it to the. No. There you go. That was good.
It's interesting. I don't know if it's funny. So I guess nah. Oh well.
Okay. You could say skip.
Skip.
We could skip. We could go to another one.
All I see is Thor. That's all. That's the only person I recognize. It's Clueless. Absolutely Clueless.
Do you want to try?
okay, here he looks right here as a boy because he's smiling. He's happy because it's part of him. You know what I'm saying? When he handed to it right, he didn't know.
I don't think so, brother.
Skip. Yeah.
Skip. Cool. Let's skip.
I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. Wow.
All right, no worries. Well, thank you so much for playing. Appreciate it. If you can name 3 programming languages, you win $10. Okay, hold on.
JavaScript.
Nah, you can't Google.
PH.
You can't Google.
Python, JavaScript, and PHP.
All right, there you go. Awesome job. Nice work. She didn't help her at all. Click the link in the description below. Sign up for Crypto.com. You'll get $25 for free, and you'll have an amazing crypto app that you can start investing with today.